Yums you can try if you want.
Dry cherries. Cherry down, upside down jam.
Ooh.
And what's this one? Original cherry jam.
Yes, you want a green tea to go? Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that's really good.
I see the blueberry. I was hoping to find the blackberry. Maybe they didn't have blackberry. Maybe. So you said this one you liked?
Yes.
That's good.
Oh, this one, is it good?
I'm gonna try one of these. Oop, I want the one.
Kind of hard, but okay. This is really sour. Hold this.
All right, what one do you want to try? You want me to help you?
I got one.
Okay, put it in your hand.
They're so squishy
Yeah.
and so delicious.
Well, that's good, right? Okay. Oh, goodness. I hope she didn't drop this on the floors.
Good.
She handed me this. I'm hoping she didn't drop it. Oh my
I
god, that's
didn't.
good.
I didn't.
That is really good.
This is good too. Wait, am I pointing it at the right place?
It's not like the RV show when you were sticking your tongue out recording yourself the whole time.
Which one do you think?
That was a little bit more bite.
This one's mild, right?
Yeah.
But it was still had a little bite to it too.
There's mild heat, but I like that one.
But this one I like 'cause it's a little darker too.
No, it's a toss-up.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Oh my god.
This is why we don't come in here. We can
Wait,
just
I'm
eat
gonna
all
take
the
one of these, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of barbecue on it. Yes.
It's barbecue.
Oh, I didn't even
Spicy.
look.
That one I think is just a regular one. This one's spicy. Okay, so I can do this.
Yep, that is good.
I haven't even tried those.
Yeah.
Was there a basket?
Oh, that was good.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know where are these ones over here.
What? I'm trying to do one.
This is smoked cherry
Be careful, my son.
and Great
Okay,
Northern
that's
steak
enough.
sauce.
Oh.
All right, try smoked cherry.
Okay, now put them in your hand and walk away. Okay, now walk away. Just leave it, walk away. Okay, what is this one?
Oh my god, that smoked cherry is wonderful. Yeah, I'm gonna get some mustards. More hot sauce. More wine. Oh, they make their own soda pop here, Piper.
Huh.
You got a cherry ginger ale, cherry lime soda, cherry root beer, cherry peach, black cherry. See, I bet you, Mommy would like the black cherry. I bet. Cherry cream soda. Are they? How sour are they? I'll try a sour one with you. I'll try a sour one with you. sour, but good. All right, what are you deciding then? Are you trying both again to figure it out? All right. So yeah, your choice. You want a bite or no bite?
I do like this one.
Okay.
Like,
Did you find it?
Alrighty.
Did you find it? Oh, here it is.
On this side too.
All
Okay, what
right.
one do you want? Oh, you got it.
I think you only get one size, or can you get?
I don't know. Maybe they have the smaller one, but we'll just have to get chips with it. They do have it in the smaller if you want the small.
Yeah, let's get the smaller. Did they?
See if I can get it from over there. There's the dolphin sign. Or one of the dolphin signs. Hey, we're moving across this bridge. We're a little late. We're going to go get some lunch.